secrets of one of the most versatile and essential amino acids. Get ready to dive deep into the world of glutamine, where science meets wellness and performance. We're delving into the captivating realm of glutamine, an amino acid that's been capturing the attention of researchers, athletes, and health enthusiasts alike. Glutamine, often referred to as the unsung hero of our body's biochemistry, plays a crucial role in numerous physiological processes, from muscle repair and immune support to gut health and beyond. But what exactly is glutamine, and why is it generating so much buzz in the worlds of fitness, wellness, and medicine? In this episode, we're going to unlock the science behind glutamine, debunk myths, and explore its remarkable benefits for our overall well-being. We shall conclude with an exhaustive frequently asked questions section, so that you have doubts after watching the episode. Whether you're an athlete looking to enhance performance, someone seeking optimal gut health, or simply curious about the latest breakthroughs in nutritional science, you're in the right place. Let's just dive in.
Let's start by understanding the basics. What exactly is glutamine, and why is it so important for our bodies? It is a non-essential amino acid, meaning that our bodies can produce it on their own. It is also the most abundant amino acid found in our bloodstream and muscle tissue. But what sets it apart is its unique role in various physiological functions. At a molecular level, glutamine consists of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen atoms arranged in a specific structure that gives it its unique properties. This amino acid acts as a building block for proteins, the foundation of our cells, tissues, and organs. However, it is not just a simple building block. It also serves as fuel for rapidly dividing cells, such as immune cells and cells lining our digestive tract. This makes it essential for supporting a healthy immune system and maintaining the integrity of our gut. Think of glutamine as a multitasking superhero within our bodies. It not only contributes to muscle repair and growth, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining a balanced immune system and a healthy gut. No wonder it has caught the attention of researchers and health enthusiasts worldwide. Interestingly, while our bodies can produce glutamine, certain situations, such as intense physical activity, stress, illness, or injury, can increase our demand for this amino acid beyond what our bodies can synthesize. This is where dietary sources and supplementation come into play. It can be found in various dietary sources, including protein-rich foods like meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, legumes, and certain grains. However, the amounts of glutamine in these foods may not always be sufficient to meet our increased needs during certain circumstances. Now, let's turn our attention to the fascinating connection between glutamine and physical performance first. Then we shall move into the supplementation. If you're an athlete, fitness enthusiast, or someone looking to optimize your exercise routine, understanding the role of glutamine is crucial. It plays a vital role in muscle repair, recovery, and overall athletic potential. Let's explore some of the key benefits of glutamine in enhancing exercise performance. Firstly, it helps in reducing exercise-induced fatigue. During intense workouts, our glutamine stores can become depleted, leading to feelings of exhaustion and decreased performance. By supplementing, athletes may experience a delay in fatigue, allowing them to push harder and train longer. This is no way similar to the effects of a painkiller. They merely numbs the nervous system to cut off the connection to prevent information flow. This amino acid's boost is due to faster muscle repair. Drop it. I know, some are thinking of Wolverine. Let's just be real. Intense exercise places stress on our muscles, causing microscopic damage that needs repair. Glutamine aids in the synthesis of proteins, which are the building blocks of muscle tissue. By ensuring an adequate supply of glutamine, individuals may experience improved muscle recovery and enhanced muscle growth. Do not confuse it with glutamic acid. That's different. It has been covered extensively in this video in the I button. Another critical aspect of physical performance is maintaining a robust immune system. Intense exercise can temporarily suppress immune function, making athletes more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Glutamine plays a crucial role in supporting immune cells, helping to strengthen the body's defense mechanisms and reduce the risk of infections. It's worth noting that the benefits extend beyond general exercise performance. Certain sports and activities may particularly benefit from glutamine supplementation. For example, endurance athletes, such as long-distance runners or cyclists, may find that glutamine aids in maintaining energy levels during prolonged exertion. Numerous studies have explored the effects of supplementation on physical performance. While individual responses may vary, some research suggests that glutamine can have positive impacts on muscle recovery, exercise capacity, and immune function, especially in certain populations and under specific conditions. However, it's important to note that glutamine supplementation should be approached with caution and in consultation with healthcare professionals or sports nutrition experts. The optimal dosage, timing, and individual needs can vary based on factors such as training intensity, dietary habits, and overall health. If you're considering incorporating it into your exercise routine, it's advisable to seek guidance from a qualified professional who can help you determine the appropriate dosage and evaluate potential interactions with any existing medications or supplements. Now,
in this segment, we'll explore the therapeutic applications of glutamine and its potential benefits for various health conditions. Glutamine's impact extends far beyond athletic performance, making it a valuable asset in the realm of health and wellness. One area where it shines is in supporting gastrointestinal disorders. The cells lining our digestive tract heavily rely on glutamine as a source of energy and building blocks. Individuals with conditions such as inflammatory bowel disease, irritable bowel syndrome, or leaky gut syndrome may experience improvements in symptoms and gut health with supplementation. It helps to strengthen the intestinal barrier, reducing permeability and inflammation. It promotes the growth and repair of intestinal cells, aiding in the healing process of damaged tissue. Additionally, it supports the production of mucus, which acts as a protective layer in the digestive tract. Glutamine also plays a vital role in supporting a healthy immune system. Conditions associated with immune system dysfunction, such as HIV, AIDS, or cancer, can significantly benefit from supplementation. It supports the function of immune cells, enhances their proliferation, and contributes to a balanced immune response. Another remarkable aspect is its role in wound healing. Whether it's a surgical incision, a traumatic injury, or a chronic wound, glutamine can help accelerate the healing process. It aids in collagen synthesis, promotes tissue regeneration, and supports the immune response to combat infections. Again, you won't turn into Wolverine. Research in the field of glutamine and health conditions continues to expand, with studies exploring its potential benefits in various scenarios. Clinical trials have shown promising results in conditions like chemotherapy-induced mucositis, critical illness, and even certain liver diseases. However, it's crucial to note that while it shows potential therapeutic benefits, it should be used under the guidance of healthcare professionals. The dosage, timing, and form of glutamine supplementation can vary based on the specific condition, individual needs, and ongoing treatments. It's essential to understand that glutamine is not a cure-all solution. While it may offer support and relief for certain health conditions, it's not a substitute for proper medical care or prescribed treatments. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your supplementation routine. As we've explored the remarkable impact of glutamine on gastrointestinal health, immune function, and wound healing, we'll now shift our focus to debunking common myths and misconceptions surrounding glutamine. Stay tuned as we separate fact from fiction and provide evidence-based insights into this fascinating amino acid.
myth number 1. Glutamine leads to significant weight loss. While it's true that it plays a role in metabolism and muscle maintenance, there's no magical shortcut to shedding pounds just by taking its supplements. Weight loss is a complex process that involves a combination of healthy eating, regular exercise, and a well-rounded lifestyle. Myth number 2. Glutamine automatically builds massive muscles. While it is indeed involved in muscle repair and growth, it's not a magic potion for achieving bulging biceps overnight. Muscle development requires consistent training, proper nutrition, and a holistic approach to fitness. It can support muscle recovery and growth, but it's not the sole factor determining muscle mass. Myth number 3. Glutamine is a miracle supplement that cures all ailments. While it has shown potential benefits for various health conditions, it's important to remember that it's not a panacea. It can be a valuable addition to a comprehensive treatment plan or a well-rounded lifestyle, but it should never replace professional medical care or prescribed medications. Myth number 4. Glutamine is only beneficial for athletes or fitness enthusiasts. While it's true that athletes can benefit from supplementation, its impact extends beyond the world of sports. It supports gut health, aids in immune function, and contributes to overall well-being. Individuals with specific health conditions or those seeking to optimize their wellness can also find value in its supplementation. Myth number 5. Glutamine has no side effects. While it is generally considered safe for most people, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. High doses or sudden increases in intake may lead to digestive issues, such as nausea, bloating, or diarrhea. Additionally, individuals with certain medical conditions or those taking specific medications should exercise caution and consult with healthcare professionals before starting glutamine supplementation. Debunking these myths allows us to understand its true potential and limitations. By dispelling misconceptions, we can approach glutamine with realistic expectations and make informed decisions about its use in our health and wellness journey. Now that we've clarified the myths surrounding glutamine, it's time to explore practical aspects such as dietary sources and supplementation. In the next segment, we will delve into incorporating glutamine into our diets and optimizing its benefits for our overall well-being.
Whether through dietary sources or supplementation, understanding the options available can help us harness the power of glutamine effectively. Let's start with dietary sources of glutamine. While our bodies can produce glutamine, certain foods contain this amino acid in varying amounts. Including these foods in our diet can provide a natural and balanced supply of glutamine. Protein-rich foods such as meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, legumes, and certain grains are good sources of glutamine. By incorporating a variety of these foods into our meals, we can ensure a steady intake of glutamine to support our body's needs. Additionally, specific foods like bone broth and fermented products like miso and tempeh contain glutamine. These can be valuable additions to a well-rounded diet, especially for individuals seeking to enhance their glutamine intake. It's important to note that cooking, processing, and storage methods can affect the glutamine content in foods. To preserve as much glutamine as possible, opt for cooking methods like steaming or stir-frying that minimize nutrient loss. Fresh, unprocessed foods are generally the best sources of glutamine. If dietary sources alone aren't sufficient to meet your glutamine needs, supplementation can be considered. Glutamine supplements come in various forms, including powders, capsules, and liquids. When choosing a glutamine supplement, look for reputable brands that ensure quality and purity. Follow the recommended dosage provided by the manufacturer or consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. It's important to remember that supplementation should be based on individual needs and circumstances. Factors such as specific health conditions, training intensity, and goals should be taken into account. Consulting with healthcare professionals or registered dietitians can help determine the appropriate dosage and duration of supplementation. Timing of glutamine supplementation can also be crucial. Some athletes or individuals may choose to take glutamine before or after workouts to aid in muscle recovery. Others may prefer a consistent daily dosage to support overall well-being. Experimentation and personal preference can play a role in finding the optimal timing for supplementation. Lastly, be aware of potential interactions between glutamine supplementation and other medications or supplements you may be taking. It's always advisable to consult with healthcare professionals to ensure compatibility and avoid any adverse effects. With a better understanding of dietary sources and supplementation options, we can now explore how to incorporate glutamine effectively into our lifestyles. Let's summarize the key takeaways and discuss practical tips for maximizing the benefits of glutamine.
Let's dive right into frequently asked burning questions and provide you with the answers you seek.
Question 1. Can I get enough glutamine from my diet alone?
Answer: it's possible to obtain sufficient glutamine from a well-rounded diet that includes protein-rich foods like meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, legumes, and certain grains. However, individual needs may vary, and specific health conditions or high-intensity training may require additional glutamine. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can help assess your unique requirements.
Question 2. Is glutamine safe for everyone to take?
Answer: glutamine is generally considered safe for most individuals when taken within the recommended dosage. However, certain individuals, such as those with liver or kidney diseases, may need to exercise caution or avoid its supplementation altogether. If you have any pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting supplementation.
Question 3. Can glutamine help with weight loss?
Answer: glutamine alone is not a magical solution for weight loss. While it plays a role in metabolism and muscle maintenance, weight loss is a complex process that requires a combination of healthy eating, regular exercise, and overall lifestyle changes. It can support muscle recovery during weight loss efforts, but it should be part of a comprehensive weight loss plan.
Question 4. How should I take glutamine for optimal results?
Answer: the optimal way to take glutamine can vary based on individual goals and circumstances. Some individuals may choose to take glutamine before or after workouts to aid in muscle recovery, while others may prefer consistent daily supplementation for general well-being. Experimentation, personal preference, and consulting with healthcare professionals can help determine the most suitable timing and dosage for you.
Question 5. Can glutamine interact with other medications or supplements?
Answer: glutamine can potentially interact with certain medications or supplements. If you're taking any medications or have concerns about potential interactions, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or pharmacist. They can provide guidance based on your specific medications and help ensure compatibility and safety.
Question 6. Can glutamine be taken long-term?
Answer: its supplementation can be taken long-term in certain cases, such as for individuals with specific health conditions or athletes engaged in intense training. However, it's important to assess your individual needs and periodically reevaluate the necessity of continued supplementation. Regular check-ins with healthcare professionals can help determine the most appropriate long-term usage of glutamine.
Question 7. Can glutamine cause any side effects?
Answer: while it is generally safe for most individuals, high doses or sudden increases in intake may cause digestive issues such as nausea, bloating, or diarrhea. It's important to start with the recommended dosage and gradually increase if necessary. If you experience any adverse effects, it's advisable to reduce the dosage or discontinue supplementation and consult with a healthcare professional. Though all amino acids are necessary, most of us seek tasty over healthy consumption. Most common amino acid sources do taste good, but do you know why? It is because of glutamic acid. Well, it's an amino acid which has been discussed in this video. Click on it to learn about how can you make your food both healthy and tasty.